Hello, this is Ariana with Bang Group, and today we're going to create an automated out-of-office request system. We'll be covering this topic over the course of 4 videos. Here's how the series will be broken down. You can find the links in the description below for each video. This is the first video of the series, so we'll begin by introducing the system and then reviewing the steps to take to begin creating your out-of-office request system. The goal of the system is to streamline and automate the process of managing out-of-office requests between requesters and managers. This automation system aims to enhance efficiency and convenience in various work environments, accommodating a wide range of request types. In the current scenario, users rely on emails, calls, or conversations to communicate with their managers for time off requests. However, accessing past time off requests can be difficult, often requiring contacting HR. Additionally, managers may struggle to recall whether a request was approved, denied, or even submitted. This video introduces a solution to address these challenges and streamline the process. Understanding what the process will look like. First, the requester will begin by submitting a request through a SharePoint list. The manager will then receive a notification that a request has been submitted, and they will be instructed whether to either approve or deny the request. After the manager makes a decision and updates the request status, the requester will be notified through email. And this is the end of the flow. So let's explore this overview. First, we'll create a SharePoint list for submitting time off requests. This will help maintain records for requesters and managers. We'll then use Power Automate to send email notifications and manage approvals efficiently. In the following video, part 2 of the series, we'll get started with setting up the SharePoint list. Be sure to subscribe to the Bang Group channel so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching.